How to use Squarespace anchor links. So to use anchor links, you first need to enable the anchor in the target section. Click on edit right here in order to open the actual page that you want to edit it. Now from in there, you just hover the section that you want the link to click onto that. You have in here this section, click onto this edit section, and then on this option that will appear, you can see all of this. We have the anchor link right here. So just enter right here the unique name. On my case, let's name this course structure. Once that's done, next thing you need to do is to copy the link for that anchor. And then from in there, you can head over and create the link. So for example, into our actual page right here, we have this button. Click on this and click onto this edit icon. Now onto the link, you can click on this edit and add right here the URL. After you have done that, it will be added and just save the link right here. And then they will be added to that particular anchor link. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.